What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create calendars on Canva into a simple, fast and effective method, and best of it, for free. So how to create fully customizable calendars just like this, for example. First thing, it's have your design, okay? You can go to the design and find some calendar design that fit your needs, okay? There is a lot of free designs, so nothing to worry, okay? Some nice ones. After, delete the calendar that normally it came with the wrong month, okay? You may need with a different month. Let me just delete it, just like this. Now review the left sidebar of menus and click on apps. Once on apps, type calendar builder and go to this first result right here. We have a couple of apps, but my favorite one is this one. Start the app and let's explore the options. We have the month, for example, December, the year, the width, the height, the background color, the text color. You can make it bold, italic. You can change the date customization in the case that you want. Make it bold or italic as well, and add the calendar. After adding the calendar, you can simply drag and drop in the way that you need, okay? Just like this. And you have made your calendar and are ready to customize it in the way that you need. Simple, right? You can, for example, add some circles, choose some special dates, and do whatever you need. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!